Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we're going to be revealing the knife that I'm going to be giving away this morning, and also announcing the name of the person who won it. Thank you so much to everybody who entered the giveaway. I think we had almost 2,000 people enter. That's amazing. I wish, like I said in the first video, I wish that I could give everybody a knife for watching my channel. I can't do that financially, but I'm hoping I'm about to make somebody's day. Absolutely. So, just so this is fair, we're going to do this all in one take. I'm going to be drawing the name on my iPad on commentpicker.com. If you don't know what's going on, a few days ago I announced that I had a knife to give away. I was going to reveal it on the morning of December 25th, and here we are. So we're going to do that, and let's not waste any more time. Let me show you guys what somebody's going to be winning this morning. You're going to be winning my A Purvis Zerks, customized by Fanatic Edge. I unboxed this a while back. I was really excited about this. For anybody who doesn't know, I think the Zerks is one of the best folding knives in existence. This is an expensive knife. Base price on these is about $290. We are looking at titanium and M390. In this case, Fanatic Edge did an excellent job of using Cerakote to make the hardware red in contrast with a black DLC frame, which they also did. This is a wonderful knife running on bearings, has a steel lock bar insert, has a flipper tab, beautiful compound ground blade. This is tumbled. I love this knife. It's actually numbered as well. This is number 142 of 240. Making this a special knife, one that is, this is a limited run of knives, and this one has been further and professionally customized by Fanatic Edge. The knife has absolutely no blade play, up, down, left, or right, is very smooth, and is perfectly centered. I legitimately picked this up for myself, and as is the case oftentimes with knives on this channel, I think if I love it that much, maybe I should give it away. There are a lot of knives in my collection I feel that way about, but I feel like this one makes sense. This is something that I could do financially, and well, I'd love to keep this knife for myself. I know that you know, giving it away and making somebody happy is probably the better thing to do with it. So I hope you guys are excited. This is truly an excellent knife. Total value on this thing, I believe I paid $330 for it. So this is definitely a nice knife, definitely a high-end knife, and it's definitely a functional knife. You can actually take this out and use it as long as it is legal in your area. Keep in mind, you have to be 18 years of old, 18 years of old, 18 years of age to enter and win. Absolutely. No exceptions. If I draw your name and you're not 18, I'm going to pick another winner. That's just how it's going to be. You also have to be able to provide me with a shipping address inside the continental United States. If you win and you live outside the United States, that's fine, but you got to find somebody, you know, friend, family member, or somebody you trust from the knife community who's willing to let me use their address to get it to them, and then they can work out how to get it to you. That's just how this is going to have to go down. I'll tell you how to contact me after we've drawn the name for the winner. So, let's go ahead and bring in the ancient iPad. Oh, she's very old and she's plugged in because it was dying and I'm stupid. So this is commentpicker.com, the YouTube version. For anybody who doesn't know how this works, you can literally go and test this yourself if you want to see if it's truly random. It is, but feel free to do it yourself. I've already got the URL in my clipboard, so I might have to shovel some coal into this thing, but eventually the thing's going to pop up for me to be able to punch in a, there we go, paste. Here is the URL for the video. You can type this in manually yourself to make sure that it actually goes to my original video where I said leave your comment down below if you'd like to be entered to win. We're going to scroll down here and we're going to click filter duplicate users, because I do not want people who commented multiple times to have a better chance than anybody else, right? There was nothing specific you had to say. That's it. So now we're going to hit Get YouTube Comments. This is going to total up the number of unique comments. It was a lot, so we're going to give it a sec. I guess we'll just wait here because it's totaling everything up. I think that, like I said, I think it was almost 2,000. I want to do this all in one take so everybody knows that it's fair, right? This is a website. Comment Picker is commonly accessible to everybody, and it's not something that you can fidget with. It's really important to me that everybody knows because we had so many people. It's really important to me everybody knows. 1,781 people entered. So there's your odds. 1 in 1,781. We're going to scroll down here and we're going to click start in a second. It's important for everybody to remember that this has a randomizer animation, right? So what it does is it throws random, you're going to see random names popping up. It does not actually physically show every single name, but it does pick one at random, right? So don't get started. I had somebody ask me last time, I didn't even see my name pop up. It would take a long time for this to animate every single person's name. But how it actually picks a name is random, and everybody has a chance. So, without further ado, we have a little ad here that's in our way. I'm going to go ahead and hit start, and the winner is going to be selected. So here we go. Who's going to be the winner? WYNO707. You are the winner of the A. Purvis Zerks customized by Fanatic Edge. His comment was, "Happy holidays and Happy New Year, brother." That's perfect. What I told people to say was just whatever you want to say, basically. I'd like to hear, some positivity. The whole idea here was positivity as we transition from the worst year that I can remember into a hopefully much better year. I'm sorry to everybody who didn't win, but to WYNO707, you have won. Congratulations. I'll make sure that you know. I'll have contacted or left a comment under his or hers. Actually, I'm not sure if it's... I'm not sure. But anyways, I'll leave a comment under theirs to let them know. Please do not contact me if you didn't win. I've got a really easy way of knowing if the person I'm talking to is actually the winner. So please don't do that. You're going to need to contact me at metalcomplex87@gmail.com. Again, that's metalcomplex87@gmail.com. Altogether, I will leave my email address right at the top of the description for you so that you can easily contact me. You can see how it's spelled, right? We'll exchange some information, and I will get that shipped out as soon as I'm convinced that the craziness of the holiday season is actually over, because I do not want this thing getting lost. I want this thing to make its way to the person who rightfully won it. If that person does not contact me within a week, I will select a different winner, and I will contact that winner myself and let them know. So you've got a week to claim it, but I'll do my best to get in contact with you to make sure that we can get that done. Guys, this was really fun for me. This is not the last time that I will be giving away a knife on this channel. I can promise you that. So if you subscribe just to see if you won, that's fine. But I do this a lot. Multiple times a year, I give knives away. Sometimes they're budget knives, sometimes they're expensive knives. Generally, when we celebrate milestones, I give knives away. And we're closing in on 40,000. And once I hit 40,000 subs, I can guarantee I will give away another knife or knives for sure. So, but really, I want you guys here to watch my content, to interact with me and the other people that are a part of this amazing knife community. So if you're brand new, stick around. I upload content every single day, usually 2 uploads a day. It's always knife related. So if you're into knives, this might be the channel for you. Guys, I hope everybody is having an excellent morning. I hope everybody has an excellent rest of your weekend. Stay safe. 2021 is going to be better. Let's think positive. This is great. I'm so happy to give this knife away. Absolutely. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Guys, if you're feeling positive in any way, shape, or form, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.